Thank you, Jesus. Today we celebrate your mighty resurrection. Early Sunday morning before cock crow, them go look for you in the tomb, but the stone roll away. And you know that you rise up just like you say you would, and we say praise, glory, and honor. My granny used to say Jesus conquer death for we, so me and you don't have to live in fear. Me remember how my granny used to wake up before sunrise for early Thursday, light the coal stove and start fry fish. Lord, the house did smell sweet, sweet, sweet. You could have feel the spirit move through the place, you know. Resurrection Sunday, my people, is not just about wearing your Sunday best to church, naming bun and cheese and fry fish. It is about a new life, a new hope, and the victory where Papa Jesus win pan the cross. Him shedding blood so me and you could have lived. And me say that the love there is deep like a sea, real like a rain, and powerful like a when thunder roll pan Blue Mountain top. So me have to say thank you, Jesus. Thank you for take me sins. Thank you for the cross. Thank you for the empty tomb. You rise so me could rise too. From my struggles, my pain and my sorrow. Today we sing, because he lives, I can face tomorrow. Because he lives, all my fears are gone. Because I know he holds the future. My life is worth a living because he lives. Bless up Resurrection Sunday, my people.